What is the difference between Pimsleur and TalkBox.Mom? Well, Pimsleur is an app on your phone that you can play, and it takes you through the language systematically. There's actually quite a lot of features that I liked about Pimsleur, but what I noticed is all those features are for adults, like having autoplay turned on when you're in the car, or it has some other features like that. But the phrases I was learning right off the bat were very much for adults, like how to schedule a meeting or things like that, that kids have no desire to learn. What I like about TalkBox.Mom is that they take the phrases that kids say all day long, every day, and they put that directly into the very first box that you learn. It's not saying, hi, my name is, or how old I am, because honestly, kids don't answer that question very often. But do you know what they do say all the time or ask for? Are snacks, right? If you want your kids to enjoy learning a foreign language and you want them to have victories quickly in learning a foreign language, then grab a program like TalkBox.Mom where they can immediately start implementing words like banana, juice, and treat right away. So if you are someone who wants an immersive program where the family can learn together and immediately start saying words and phrases that you are already saying every day, then use TalkBox.Mom. If you're someone who is a business professional who is looking to work abroad, then maybe Pimsleur might be the right option for you.